Hi, on this video I'm gonna talk about the things I like and don't like about the SEIKO SKX 007. Here we have the instruction booklet, SEIKO certificate of guarantee, and a worldwide guarantee. The watch box. It feels like a regular box. Simple, light. This is the SEIKO SKX 007. This is my diverse watch on my collection. The reason why I like this one, it's a real dive watch for lesser money, built and designed well. It looks great. I do like the weight of the watch on my wrist. It's great on a NATO strap, leather strap, and bracelet. You could wear it anywhere except when you're wearing a shirt that you need to close the cuffs. Things that I don't like in this watch is the hollow end links. It does make a clinking sound, but definitely you could buy a third-party strap and you could just replace it. I prefer this watch with the Jubilee strap. It's better than the rubber option for my opinion. It's a great watch. The value and quality of this watch is exceptional, and that's why it's in my collection. I added some photograph at the end of this video. See you guys on the next video. Bye!